Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price predictions. This is an intraday video, of course, and we are looking to kind of like conflict between two scenarios here. Did we bottomed our wave 4 in orange scenario in is this a very strong trend towards the downside, or have we bottomed here? Because this conflict between this one and this other scenario, of course, open a one bullish scenario and one bearish scenario. For example, if we have finished three waves down and three waves up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's an ABC with a truncated wave C, of course. And of course, we are looking after it at a leading diagonal 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a wave of 5 in the orange and continuation towards the downside for a new correction in the wave 4 in the yellow scenario, right? Because we have topped here for the wave 3 as well. In case that your wave 4 has bottomed in this one, therefore, of course, you have finished a W, a 3 waves or ABC for W, and then, of course, another 3 waves for your X, and 3 waves for your Y, because this can be, of course, an ABC in that case, where you see here probably 3 waves down, or even 5 waves down, and then 3 waves, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave C, which has finished a kind of a like a very sharp zigzag with a wave C extended, right? And that scenario, of course, bring the wave 4 finished here. Now, in that case, you have finished, of course, a kind of like expanding flat without even taking the low again. So this expanding flat is also truncated, because we did not take the low. It has turned to a running flat again. And in that case, you would like to see, of course, higher prices, and this is what we are looking at. Now, higher prices means you would like to see an impulse, but unfortunately, we couldn't reach any kind of fib level in any peak of this impulse. As you can see, the 0.23 was not hit or perfectly touch. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's Bitcoin again. We're defying gravity. Yeah, so and in that case scenario, I always says, okay, when this happens, I stay out because there is no clarity for Bitcoin. Now we're just floating, right, without any ground, and we don't know when suddenly we start to move towards the downside, or maybe it just fly towards the upside. And yeah, I know this is what happened even before with the massive wave 3, where we did not touch also the 0.23, and we got a very truncated wave ABC as well. As you can see, A, B, and a C truncated, did not took the low here, and then start to move towards the upside. But still, in that case, I stay out, even if I know that, okay, the prices might go up, because when this happens, it's like I'm just entering a trade blind, and I don't like it because it sounds, of course, like kind of gambling here and not trading anymore. And I love also to always have some at least indication of a 0.23. I would accept it, of course, if we are bullish in an ABC. Yeah, but yeah, Bitcoin doesn't listen to me, of course, and to Elliott wave, he doesn't care sometimes. So here we go. We're just moving out. So the to recap what I'm saying here, of course, there is unclarity if your wave 4 has bottomed here or here. Because if we have bottomed here, of course, we have finished a wave 5 already. We are looking to a longer correction for a wave 4 in your yellow scenario. If we have bottomed here, we are looking for higher probably, but the problem is that there is no clear impulse yet. And that's why, of course, this bring us, of course, into unclarity situation or unclear situation to move with the trade. Now, KGT comes here in role, of course, because, of course, we need kind of an indicator to tell us what's going on. Now, as you can see on the indicator, we have already a buy signal, so that's good. We have a divergence here with the signals and with the price action, which is really good, and we are looking as well at higher prices, but suddenly some sell pressures start to appear. Now, also the problem is that you have a convergence very strong conversions with a price action and those bearish scenario. And that's why I'm telling you there is no clarity. Are we bullish or are we bearish? So that is a price decision here that it has to be made. Yeah, before the weekend starts. Because of course, if we start the weekend and yeah, we're gonna range even more and more. Yeah, so it's gonna be a very long range and it's gonna be a little bit more complicated with Bitcoin because a range over a range here, of course, now of course we can read the range always, but yeah, that is a very long one. Yeah, if we're gonna range so much here, but in that case, of course, if we get a longer range, yeah, probably that we have topped here, right, like a wave 5. And yeah, so we're gonna see anyway, but the end of this video is that there is no clear prices yet, bullish or bearish. The same KGT is with us, telling us the same. Like there is a bearish, very big bearish convergence, and also very big bearish, bullish divergence, and plus the accumulation. It's very mixed, guys. It's very mixed. We can see also like, okay, some buyers entering here, but then some sellers enters again with some pressure as well. So yeah, so basically this is it for Bitcoin. If you would like to have KGT indicator, you can find it in the description below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.